Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about memory and performance. So this is a big one. So I have 16 gigs of RAM installed on this laptop that I'm using. This is a MacBook Pro. RAM reserved for other applications, I have 5 gigs. RAM shared by AfterEffects, Premiere Pro, and Photoshop is 11 gigs. And you can set this up for After Effects, Premiere Pro, Prelude, Media Encoder, Photoshop, and Audition. We can reduce the cache size when system is low on memory. This will shorten cache preview. Show memory usage details. We can look at that as well. Performance. Enable multi-frame rendering. Percent of CPU reserved for other applications is 10%. Multi-frame rendering allows After Effects to render multiple frames at the same time during preview and render queue export. This setting also applies when After Effects compositions are rendered from Media Encoder and Premiere Pro. Because After Effects has the ability to use 100% of your CPU's capability, you may choose to limit how much CPU power to reserve so that other applications can still be used. So you want to give After Effects as much CPU power as you can so that it can render as fast as possible. And also, the likelihood of dropping frames will be less. Okay, so that is memory and performance preferences. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.